How to download and install Amazon Alexa app. Let's get started. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, in the search box, type in the app name Amazon Alexa and then search for it. Once app appears, you're gonna find the option of install or get. You'll need to click on it. With that, your Face ID will be enabled. Or you'll need to type in your Apple ID's passcode. After you complete that process, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, launch it and use it. And that's it. This way you can easily download and install Amazon Alexa app. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.